Bonjour, my dear friend, Your Excellency, Governor François, Villeroy de Galhau. Today, indeed, we gather to mark a significant milestone in the long-standing relationship between Banque de France and Bank Indonesia. This memorandum of understanding that we signed today in Paris and Jakarta is far more than a symbolic commitment. It is indeed a testament to the enduring spirit of strengthening institutional ties and deepening bilateral cooperation between our two central banks over the past years and the years to come. This moment also reflects our mutual contribution for addressing sustainable finance and climate-related financial risks by enhancing policy dialogue and technical exchanges. We are positioning our institution in facilitating the global transition toward a green economy. Furthermore, this cooperation reflects the strategic direction by our respective leaders, particularly in view of the upcoming bilateral meeting between Presiden Prabowo and President Macron in Jakarta later this month. It is a tangible deliverable to advancing economic relations between France and Indonesia. Before I conclude, I would like to extend my deepest appreciation to you, Governor François, for your strong leadership, as well as the entire team of Banque de France for the unwavering dedication and commitment to this partnership. Let us move forward together in spirit of collaboration and mutual trust to maximize the potential of this cooperation, not only for the advancement of our respective institutions and economies, but also for the broader global financial community. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Bonjour. Governor Warjiyo, dear Perry, if you allow me, we know each other for years. We are friends. We were together in Basel 3 days ago. But this signature is a very important milestone in our cooperation, as you said. And I'm really impressed by the scope of cooperation we open on this agreement. As you said, there is a core business of central banking, which is about monetary policy and financial stability, and we have much to learn from each other and to share. There is also this chapter about sustainable finance and climate, which will, by the way, be a very important part of the first work streams we will open together. And it's not separated. I think it's very important to stress there are sometimes political contests around this question of climate. It's not a question of political belief. It's a question of economic and financial reality. We have to deal with climate-related risks, and they can affect our core businesses of price stability and financial stability. You had very kind words, Perry. Can I also stress your personal involvement in all this field? And I can witness, as chair of the board of the BIS, how much you contribute to our community. I have also deep and very positive memory about the Indonesian G20 presidency we had 3 years ago. These were not easy times. It was the start of the war in Ukraine, and you had really to maintain the dialogue in our community, and I will never forget how we were welcome in Bali in July 22. So for all these reasons, it's not only a professional avenue we open today, we confirm today, it's also a story of personal relationship, which really I cherish. Can I only add to what you said, my very personal thanks to our teams in Bank of Indonesia and in the Banque de France, which prepared this memorandum of understanding, and I know they worked very hard. I know they will also work to implement and deliver on all these new chapters. I think on the Banque de France side to our office in Singapore, whose representative you know, Stéphane Latouche, I know he's with us online. I think also to our teams here in Paris. I am in this room with Marie-Hélène Ferrer and Lisa Gervasoni. I wish them all, and also all the Indonesian colleagues, good luck for the implementation, and I express my very sincere gratitude. As you said, if I may add one sentence, this agreement between our two central banks is also a good omen, a sign of the deep political dialogue between our two countries. The French president will come to Indonesia in the very near future, and I'm really delighted that we bring our contribution to this Indonesian-French cooperation. Thank you very much again.
Thank you, Governor, for your warm remarks and for highlighting the future opportunities this collaboration may bring. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, we have now arrived at the main agenda of today's ceremony, the signing of the Memorandum of Understanding between Bank Indonesia and Banque de France on structured bilateral cooperation. Governors, we invite you to open the documents and proceed with the signing. Thank you, Your Excellencies. And with that, we conclude the signing ceremony of the Memorandum of Understanding on Structured Bilateral Cooperation between Bank Indonesia and Banque de France.